Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to format a hard disk or SSD drive in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To format a hard disk or SSD drive in Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu. Now click on Disk Management. Now look, I have added a disk 1, and when I open disk management, it prompt me, it detects disk 1, and I need to select which partition style I want to use. There are two partition style, one is MBR and another one is GPT. If you want, you can select GPT, or if you want, you can select MBR as you wish. I have selected MBR. Now click on OK. Now the disk is online, and if you find your disk is not online or not initialized, just right click here and you need to click on online here, and then you need to click initialize here. Okay, now this is the disk and it's unallocated. Now right click on the disk and click on new simple volume. A new wizard has been opened. Now click on next. If you want to create a single partition, just no need to change anything. Just click on next. Or if you want to create multiple partition, you have to select the size of your volume here. I'm not creating multiple volume. So click on next. Now the drive letter, you can select drive letter from here. And I am selecting the letter E. And now click on next. Now the format type here, there are two format type, NTFS and FAT32. I have selected NTFS and allocated unit is default, and the volume level, you can change the name here. I am giving the name office. Okay, now click on next. Now click on finish. Okay, now disk format is completed. Now close disk management. Now open File Explorer and click on this PC. The drive is showing on this PC. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.